What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today I am driving, and today's video is about JustPlay. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So a lot of you have been wanting this type of video for so long, and basically today's video is about JustPlay. And basically what we're doing in this video is basically seeing if JustPlay is actually worth it in 2024. With that being said, do all of you think that JustPlay is worth it still in 2024? Or is there a better app out there that can replace JustPlay completely? So JustPlay has been one of those apps that kind of made my channel, really. I started JustPlay probably over 2 years ago, and it's one of the things that I made a video on, and it kind of just took off. And not only like the whole video aspect of it, but the community of people have just been so good, and everybody loves JustPlay, it seems like. So everybody seems to love JustPlay. The community's great, and everybody seems to like to share, you know, their little aspect of the whole app and how they earn and share their little story, which is always great. I want to say thank you to every single one of you for tuning in to my videos, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, and everything that you guys do. I appreciate it so much. And if you guys seen the thumbnail from yesterday, there's the little guy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video today, please drop a like on this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more earning videos. And also, just thank you again for tuning in. Peace.